Hey guys, it's Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a haul slash, I guess, unboxing by Simply Gilded. This is the November subscription box for Simply Gilded, and I already unwrapped everything, so all of it is out of plastic. I just wanted to get that done with so you didn't hear the crinkling, and I wanted to share with you the products I received. So first of all, it came in this little bag. I used to have something like this. A friend made it for me and we called it a book bag. So basically you can keep your books in it. You can use it for anything you want, really. And it's not big enough for one of those backpack things, but it's just a kind of a cute bag you can keep stuff in. So when you open it up, this is the pouch that comes with this subscription box. And the little free gift was a matching elastic, I guess, like a hair tie. So that's kind of cool. I don't really have anything like this to protect my hair. I use the ones that damage my hair, so I'll probably use this. So now I already put everything in here, but when I got it, only the washi tapes were in here, and then the stickers were in a different container. So the cool thing about this is I'll probably use this because it's not even, it doesn't have a fawn print, it's a floral print, which I like, and it's light enough that it's very neutral. It's got this little pocket on the top that does go all the way down to the bottom. And then you open up the main pocket. I'll just take out the washi tapes and the stickers to show you the inside here. So the first side here, it comes with this smaller pocket with a little heart clear see-through part, and then two separate pockets up here that again go all the way down to the bottom. And the right hand side is this little plastic pouch that you can clip out of here if you want to. And then this hard piece which has pen loops on either side, and then you can keep the little books back in the back if you want to, or your stickers. Actually, I think this is a perfect place for me to keep my Simply Gilded stickers and probably the pens as well, because again, it came with another one of these gel pens. I had three, but I did give one away, and this is all gold, which is really pretty. So then it came with this little kind of cardboard pocket to hold all of the stickers and the little notes. So this first thing is a little tiny notepad that has pink background with white polka dots and a little bow at the top. This is pretty cute, and I'm pretty sure they're sticky notes, which is super cute. This is the little card that tells you what comes in the subscription box. This is one journaling card here with the fawn print. There are vellum sheets. So this is a fawn print, and then this is a checkered print that says fall in love just on the one side. And then you get into the stickers. So this one doesn't match. I think this is the gift, which is kind of pretty. Some of those are really nice. And again, this one as well. They're so cute. And then this one has little tiny reindeers and a lot of the fawn colored print again. This is the days of the week with little list stickers and meetings, appointments, etc. These are the bow seals, I believe. You can use them for letters if you want. And then the tiny ones, so this is like a sparkly sheet, just little icons with garbage and check your email and film and stuff. These are the date stickers, and then this is another tiny sheet of little stickers. And then the next item is this little booklet that will go in my traveler's notebook. So this is a B6, I believe. This is clear, like a completely plain piece of paper, so I'll probably use this to jot down notes and stuff. And the one I had before was dot grid, which I prefer, but this will be fine too, to just jot down notes if I'm out and about. I use these, or I will actually use my phone with my note section just to jot down dates or notes if I'm out. Okay, and then as for the washi tape, these are the washi tapes. I always get the additional add-on pack, so that's these ones here. And there is a blue and gold one, kind of a checkered one with gold hearts on it, a pink one with the floral pattern, and then the fawn pattern with the little gold bows. And the next size up is this one here. I think this is These are 5, and I'm not sure what this one is. It's not too much of a difference though. This is blue and gold, but with a scalloped pattern instead. And then there's 3 10mm. So it's got this like sparkly feel, kind of like the Amanda Rach Lee sparkly star ones with gold bow on it. That's pretty. It's checkered. And then it's a fawn pattern. I think this is the one that is perforated. I believe it's got memories, love, gratitude. And then this is light pink with gold dots and gold bows. And then the 2 15mm. This is, oops, the fawn pattern with a gold bow on it. That's really pretty. And then the pink one again with the gold dots and the gold bows. So that is it for this unboxing slash haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very quick video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, I'd love if you would subscribe and help me out and join our family. And last but not least, click that bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. And we will talk to you guys again very soon. Bye now.